Bring your plate, take your own share of this ogbono with oha soup. Welcome back, beautiful people. It's me, GreyGlamma, GGM. I'm back here again to show you how to make the traditional ogbono with oha soup. If you like what you're seeing, just hit that like button, share and comment on the video, and also subscribe if you have not. Let me show you the ingredients. Of course, I'll leave the ingredients in the description box, but these are the ingredients that you'll need here as you're seeing it. Fish, oha, ogbono, UZIZA, crayfish, OKPEI, palm oil, and salt. First, you add the oil in a pot. Just heat it up, and then you add the ogbono. Immediately you add the ogbono, turn it very well. The reason why I'm using this method is it is the easiest to dissolve the ogbono so that you don't have lumps in your ogbono. Immediately you turn it very well and the ogbono is dissolved. Then now you add warm water. You add warm water, the quantity that you know that will be okay to cook this soup. This soup is just for enjoyment, for nlacha. I'm not cooking it to store in the fridge or in the freezer, so that's why I added little water. Then cook for 5 minutes. When you have cooked for 5 minutes, you see that the ogbono is now getting thick. At this point, if you want to add more water, if you want your soup to be not to be so thick, to be light, you can add more water. Next, you now add the fish, the mackerel fish. You know how to do this fish, right? In your kitchen with your oven. I showed you how to do it in my last video. If you don't know how to do it, you can go and watch it. I'll leave the link up here so that you can click it to go and watch how to do the mackerel fish. As you can see that I am adding it, I'm breaking it down in big chunks because I want it to be a sulazo, agwolazo, you know. When you get a spoonful, it will be all fish. So, so now you turn the soup. Remember that while you are adding the fish, the soup is still cooking. So that was why I said earlier on, you just cook it for 5 minutes and then start adding the fish, because ogbono doesn't need to be cooked for a long time. Then the next step is to start adding the other ingredients. First, I will add the UZIZA leaf. If you have UZIZA powder, you can add it. Fresh UZIZA or dried UZIZA. I have dried one, that's why I'm using it here. Add the crayfish, pepper and ogiri. If you have grinded crayfish, you can add it. If you don't have it, you grind it with your mortar in your kitchen. Of course, you people already know that I love to grind, to pound my crayfish and pepper in my small mortar. Yeah, that's me, the GGM, the GreyGlamma. That's my own style. Now I'm adding the seasoning cube. You can see that our soup is already singing. It is already jubilating because it knows that it is very well expected. And oh no, just look at this. Taste for salt. Yes, you taste for salt. I don't like to add much salt to my soup. I already added a little bit earlier on. Well, I didn't show you guys. No worry, no wahala. You add salt to your taste, and then you add the star ingredients. You add the very welcome guest of honor, that is the oha. This oha crossed rivers and deserts to get to me. So oh no, you don't know how I was expecting the oha before it came. It is ready. It is ready, my people. Our oha soup, Ogbono with oha soup is ready. Get your fufu, your swallow ready if you want to eat it with swallow, or you bring your plates. Thank you for sticking to the end of the video. We have come to the end. And just like I said earlier, if you like what you're seeing, if you like what I'm doing, please like, comment, share, and subscribe if you have not. And thank you for supporting me. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to stay hydrated. I love you all. Bye.